To install a 240-volt subpanel in your pole barn, you will need to run 4 wires. Firstly, you need a hot wire, typically red or black. This wire carries 120 volts and is connected to one terminal of the main breaker in the subpanel. Secondly, you need another hot wire, which can be blue or yellow. This wire also carries 120 volts and is connected to the other terminal of the main breaker in the subpanel. Thirdly, you need a neutral wire, which is white. This wire provides a return path for the current and is connected to the neutral bus in the subpanel. Fourthly, you need a grounding wire, which is green or bare copper. This wire provides a safety path for fault currents and is connected to the ground bus in the subpanel. The wires you use must be of sufficient gauge to handle the current draw of your loads. You should also use a conduit to protect the wires from damage. It is recommended to consult with a licensed electrician to ensure proper installation and safety.